Selamat datang dan semoga sukses.
I'm looking forward to work together and let's write some history together.
I hope to see you very soon.
Looking forward to see you.
And I'm looking forward to see you soon.
I'm looking forward to write history together.
And let's make sure we accomplish our goal.
Let's qualify for the World Cup.
Pemain timnas Indonesia mengucapkan selamat datang kepada pelatih baru timnas asal Belanda Patrick Kluivert. Mereka tampak antusias dan optimis Patrick Kluivert mampu membawa timnas Indonesia lebih baik dan lolos ke Piala Dunia 2026. Hari ini, Patrick Kluivert juga telah resmi dikenalkan secara langsung oleh Ketua Umum PSSI Erick Thohir sebagai pelatih kepala timnas Indonesia. Target jangka pendeknya, Patrick Kluivert ditargetkan meraih 4 poin di 2 laga timnas Indonesia melawan Australia dan Bahrain bulan Maret nanti. Patrick Kluivert juga yakin dan optimis bisa membawa timnas Indonesia terbang tinggi lolos ke Piala Dunia 2026. Berikut reaksi bahagia dan harapan pemain timnas Indonesia menyambut era baru di timnas Indonesia bersama Patrick Kluivert.
Hello coach. Hey coach.
Hello coach. Hello coach.
Hello coach.
Hi coach.
Halo Coach Patrick.
Selamat datang di Indonesia, Coach Patrick Kluivert.
Selamat datang di Indonesia.
Selamat datang coach Patrick. Selamat datang coach Patrick.
Welcome to Timnas.
インドネシア女子代表監督の望月です。
Welcome to our national team.
Dan selamat bekerja di Federasi Sepak Bola Indonesia.
I'm looking forward to work with you very soon.
Selamat datang dan semoga sukses.
I'm looking forward to work together and let's write some history together.
I hope to see you very soon.
Looking forward to see you.
And I'm looking forward to see you soon.
I'm looking forward to write history together.
And let's make sure we accomplish our goal.
Let's qualify for the World Cup.
Selamat mengemban tugas menjadi pelatih tim nasional.
Dan cita-cita bangsa Indonesia semua bisa tercapai.
Semoga bisa membawa timnas Indonesia menjadi lebih baik dari sebelumnya
dan bisa membawa timnas Indonesia
menuju timnas Piala Dunia.
Let's do this.
Let's do this all together.
I will see you soon.
Mantan pemain legendaris timnas Belanda Patrick Kluivert resmi dikenalkan langsung oleh PSSI sebagai pelatih baru timnas Indonesia. Patrick Kluivert dikenalkan secara langsung oleh Ketua Umum PSSI Erick Thohir di Hotel Jakarta. Di sesi preskon, Patrick Kluivert juga mengatakan target jangka pendek dan target jangka panjangnya bersama timnas Indonesia. Patrick Kluivert juga mengatakan ia optimis dan yakin bisa membawa timnas Indonesia lolos ke Piala Dunia 2026. Patrick Kluivert menargetkan meraih 4 poin di bulan Maret kala timnas Indonesia bertandang melawan tuan rumah Australia dan juga melawan Bahrain di laga kandang. Patrick Kluivert juga mengkonfirmasi bahwa kini beberapa pemain diaspora sedang dalam proses mendapatkan paspor warga negara Indonesia untuk memperkuat kedalaman skuad timnas Indonesia.
The Indonesian fans are fantastic. The passion that they have, I love that, and they contribute to the positive elements that the team needs. Everybody knows that without passion, fans, it's difficult to achieve the great things. So I'm very happy that the Indonesian fans are so passionate.
What you need to do, your starting position is to respect your own qualities, what you have in the team, and take advantage of every positive strengths that you have in your team.
I'm glad you brought that up. One of the strengths of our team, and I'm sure many people here agree, is our back line. I think our defensive line is one of Indonesia's strengths. But in attacking football, we talked about this slightly a little bit, where if you're playing attacking football, you really have to have a lot of trust in your back line. Is this something that you see as a benefit for us because we do have a strong defensive line, that this is something that will be benefiting your playing style?
Absolutely, it's very important to have a good back three or back four or back five. But the most important thing is that confidence with the ball, because I love to have the ball, and what Johan Cruyff always said, you can't score when you don't have the ball.
Nice, well said. Saya juga agak coba menggali sedikit mengenai taktiknya Coach Patrick, di mana seandainya Coach Patrick menerapkan style of play yang lebih menyerang, ini juga akan, kalau defensive line-nya tidak kuat, bisa menjadi sesuatu yang jadi bisa di-expose sama tim lawan. Tapi dengan backline, saya juga menyatakan bahwa saya pribadi dan saya juga yakin rekan-rekan di sini setuju bahwa lini belakang kita sangat kuat. Dan saya tanya apakah ini menjadi benefit untuk style of play-nya Coach Patrick. Dan menurut dia, yang penting sih kita saling mempercayai dengan masing-masing pemain, dan kita juga percaya dengan megang bola, karena dia sangat suka kalau timnya punya ball possession. Kalau kita tidak memegang bola, kita tidak bisa mencetak gol. Dan menurut saya itu sangat logika jawabannya. Let's shift our conversation a bit because I want to give our reporters a chance to ask some questions. I want to talk a little bit about Indonesian fans. You touched on it in the beginning. Indonesian football fans are passionate, but it's not just Indonesian football fans. If you look at the Dutch national team, Dutch football fans are very passionate. Everywhere that you've coached, I believe you've faced very passionate fans. What is your strategy to be able to basically convey to the team that this is your fan base? It is a huge fan base, and you need to garner this passion in order to motivate your team to be performing at the highest level.
Yes, you're right, but I think that Indonesian fans, what they showed me already, they have an extra passion. Played in a lot of countries, and I saw a lot of passionate fans, but Indonesian fans are, extra spice, I think, and it's good. And the players know this as well. They play for their country, so the most important thing is that all the fans are standing behind the team, what they do.
Okay.
And we will manage the rest.
Alright, saya juga menanyakan dengan pengalaman Coach Patrick melatih di berbagai negara dan di timnas Belanda, di mana fansnya juga sangat suportif. Tapi menurut Coach Patrick, fans bola di Indonesia ada di level di atas lagi, di mana kita sangat-sangat passionate dan sangat mencintai timnas kita. Tapi menurut dia ini sesuatu yang bisa diharness untuk membuat timnas kita lebih semangat. Tapi yang penting kita bisa menyatu untuk dukung timnas Indonesia. One last thing before I kind of shift, give a chance to some of our friends to ask some questions. In regards to the playing style philosophy, are you going to try to garner some of the local players? You mentioned earlier that you will try to kind of get to know some of the local players.
Yes.
Are you planning on making some visits perhaps, or perhaps talk with some of the local players? What is your plan going forward?
Well, for sure. This evening I already have a dinner planned with 5 local players.
Okay.
To get to know them a little bit better. So that's already the beginning. And for sure next month I'm planning to come back here in Indonesia. See more of the grassroots here in Indonesia.
So you'll be visiting other areas as well?
Of course.
Okay, so saya nanya ke Coach Patrick gimana caranya untuk Coach bisa lebih mengenali pemain lokal ataupun mungkin kultur bola di Indonesia. Dan Coach Patrick malam ini aja sudah ada rencana untuk bertemu dengan 5 pemain lokal kami dari timnas Indonesia, dan setelah sebulan kemudian dia akan kembali lagi ke Indonesia untuk tur ke beberapa kota dan bagian di Indonesia untuk lebih mengenali diri dengan tim-tim pemain-pemain di berbagai daerah, bukan hanya di ibu kota tapi di luar daerah juga, untuk memperkenalkan diri dan juga lebih mengetahui pemain-pemain lokal dan apa aja yang terjadi di dunia sepak bola di luar ibu kota. One last quick thing, you have played with several, to say the least, world-class players, and obviously you are one of them. What interesting prospects, and I know you might not be able to tell me too much about this, but there's been many rumblings about, I wonder who Coach Patrick will be able to convince to come to Indonesia. Have there been any kind of discussions with anyone? Perhaps you can give us a bit of a teaser or heads up as to what's been happening lately in regards to possible Diasporas joining our squad.
I don't know if I can tell it, Mr. President. Well, I personally have been speaking with a few players who can be naturalized to Indonesian passport and everything. So I don't know if I need to say a name, but I'm busy with it. I could say one name perhaps. It's Jair Ridewal. Speaking with him, and we're trying to get him naturalized as soon as possible.
Okay. And I think that is one of the obviously
one of the more
hopefully, and because there's been many names thrown out there, many of us want to know who they are, but obviously that is going to be in your hands and your coaching staff. Yang saya tanya yang pasti banyak teman-teman di sini juga penasaran mengenai diaspora sudah banyak berita simpang siur mengenai siapa yang akan bergabung dan berikutnya di timnas Indonesia. Yang pasti coach tidak bisa membocorkan banyak nama, tapi sudah sedang ada beberapa obrolan yang berjalan dengan pemain-pemain.
Agak ringan kerjaan nih.
Ada kemungkinan
jadi bukan kita yang nyari lagi.
Untuk
beban kerja kurang
saya
kan.
akan break pertanyaan dari saya dulu karena teman-teman di sini udah sangat sabar. Saya akan kasih kesempatan juga untuk beberapa